Have you dreamed about becoming a millionaire? Or do you actually see yourself reaching that figure in the future? In today's video, I'm going to share with you the inspiring story of Emily, who invested her way to becoming a millionaire using index funds. Emily's story is a testament to the power of index fund investing and how anyone can achieve financial success through consistent and disciplined investing. So, if you're interested in learning how Emily did it, keep watching. Personal story. Before we delve into her story, if you were anything like me growing up, I knew nothing about index fund investing. I thought that to be a millionaire, you had to be born into a rich family or be some kind of celebrity. I thought this because I was told that any money you have spare after paying bills should be put in a low-interest savings account for security. This meant that my money never grew and actually devalued year on year due to inflation. I never saw a practical way anyone could become rich with an average salary. Anyway, enough about me, and let's delve into Emily's story. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Emily. Emily had always been interested in personal finance, but she had never really known how to start investing. She had a bit of savings in her bank account, but she didn't want to keep it all there forever. She knew she needed to make her money work for her if she wanted to build wealth and achieve her financial goals. One day, Emily decided to take the plunge and start investing in the stock market. She had heard about the potential for high returns, but she was also aware of the risks involved. After researching different investment options, she stumbled upon the concept of index funds. Emily learned that index funds are a type of mutual fund that tracks a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. They provide broad diversification across the entire stock market and have lower fees compared to actively managed mutual funds. She was intrigued by the idea of investing in a diverse portfolio with minimal effort, so she decided to start investing in index funds. Emily opened a brokerage account with a reputable online broker and began investing in low-cost index funds that tracked the S&P 500. She invested a small amount of money each month and watched as her portfolio slowly grew. She reinvested her dividends and continued to add to her investments over time. At first, Emily was a bit nervous about the volatility of the stock market. She saw her portfolio fluctuate in value, and it was sometimes hard to resist the urge to sell during market downturns. But she reminded herself that she was investing for the long term, and that the stock market had historically delivered high returns over time. As the years went by, Emily continued to invest in index funds and watched as her portfolio grew steadily. She remained disciplined and patient, never trying to time the market or chase after hot stocks. She simply stuck to her investment strategy and let the power of compounding work for her. 10 years after she first started investing in index funds, Emily's portfolio had grown to over £1 million. She was amazed by her success and proud of the fact that she had achieved it through consistent investing and a long-term perspective. She had never expected to become a millionaire, but by following a simple investment strategy and sticking with it, she had reached a financial milestone. Emily didn't stop investing once she reached £1 million, however. She continued to invest in index funds, but now with a focus on preserving her wealth and generating passive income for her retirement. She diversified her investments into other asset classes, such as bonds and real estate, and continued to reinvest her dividends for maximum growth. In the end, Emily's story is a testament to the power of index fund investing. By following a simple investment strategy and remaining disciplined and patient over time, she was able to turn her savings into a fortune. She proved that anyone can become a successful investor if they're willing to put in the time and effort to learn and develop a sound investment strategy. The most efficient way to invest in index funds is through a tax-free wrapper such as a stocks and shares ISA in the UK or Roth IRA in the USA. Opening a stocks and shares ISA in the UK is a straightforward process, and here are the steps you can follow. Step 1. Choose an ISA provider. The first step is to select an ISA provider that meets your investment needs. You can research online or speak to a financial advisor to find a provider that offers the types of investments you are interested in and has a good reputation for customer service. Step 2. Decide on the type of ISA. Once you have chosen a provider, you will need to decide on the type of stocks and shares ISA you want to open. You can choose a self-select ISA, where you pick your own investments, or a managed ISA, where the provider manages your investments on your behalf. Step 3. Complete the application form. Once you have chosen your provider and the type of ISA you want to open, you will need to complete an application form. The form will ask for personal details, such as your name, address, and national insurance number. You'll also need to provide details of your chosen investments. Step 4. Fund your ISA. After completing the application form, you will need to fund your ISA. You can transfer existing ISAs from other providers or make a cash deposit. Step 5. Verify your identity. To prevent fraud and comply with anti-money laundering regulations, the ISA provider will need to verify your identity. You may need to provide identification documents, such as a passport or driving license, and proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Step 6. Start investing. Once your ISA is set up and funded, you can start investing in the stocks and shares of your choice. You can buy and sell investments through your ISA provider's platform. In summary, opening a stocks and shares ISA in the UK involves selecting a provider, deciding on the type of ISA, completing an application form, funding your ISA, verifying your identity, and then starting to invest. It is always advisable to research your options and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. Also, a little bonus tip: make sure to check the fees of the platform, as this can be massively detrimental to the value of your portfolio over time. Emily's story is a testament to the power of index fund investing. By following a simple investment strategy and remaining disciplined and patient over time, she was able to turn her savings into a fortune. She proved that anyone can become a successful investor if they're willing to put in the time and effort to learn and develop a sound investment strategy. So if you're looking to build wealth and achieve financial success, consider following in Emily's footsteps and start investing in low-cost index funds through a tax-free wrapper such as a stocks and shares ISA, which we have in the UK, or a Roth IRA in the USA. Head to the link in the description to receive up to £100 of free shares on trading 212. Are you curious about wealth to set yourself up for financial freedom? In the description under this video, I have included links to my favorite books to achieve this. Thanks for watching today's video. If you're like me and curious about wealth, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance and investing content. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Until next time, happy investing.